Hi class, it's Professor Fouad. Welcome to Physics 1025 lab. This lab will be online, totally delivered completely online. I hope you are safe and you enjoy your time. This is 1 credit hour lab. Before we use lab manual, hard copy, but this is consistent with on-campus lab. But for this lab, right now, I will introduce video for each time, every single lab, how to work the lab and how to take the measurements. So this is 12 week, and I create here 12 week, every week concerning one experiment. But like if I click say week 1, it will take me directly to week 1 in the module. As you see here, this is week 1. So I have to set this one like error analysis lab. It will not be opened unless you finish orientation module first. Orientation module, if you start here, you will see this video. Then meet your instructor. This will be my contact email, college phone number. And if you would like to text appointment, this textbook, I'm repeating it again. This conceptual physics lab manual 12th edition, it's recommended, but you do not need to purchase it now because your lab will be online. We will work it from a simulation. Like, let me show you a sample now because I get more of the question from friends that, oh, how can we conduct the lab online? This is how to conduct it online. Say I wanted to work with simple pendulum. So this is the mass. How much is the mass? If you see top right, 1 kilogram. I can make it less. I can make it 0.5 kilogram. I can make the length 1 meter. I can make the length 0.3 meter, 0.2 meter, and so on. So say I would like to take the periodic time for one oscillation when the length is 0.7 meters. So this is how it works. I will turn on the stopwatch. I will see the period trace. So this will guide me to see it. So if I play it, if I take it up till 20 degrees, I will make sure that I will go into 20 degrees only. Then this is how it will work. So I will start to work, say, I will count starting when it's here, then I will count 10 of them. So let me give you a quick example. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, say I count 15. Then this time I will stop. I will divide how much I get for 15 oscillation, divide by 15. This will give me the time for one oscillation. So your job to do this, I will give you a video just to take one reading, and the rest will be on your own. And how to perform the lab report, I have lab report module. Experiment name, your name, date, objective. You don't need to write method. I don't need method. Data, table, graph. I prefer you to use Excel. We have to use Excel. Then your slope, your final result, your error percentage or uncertainty of error, then conclusion. Then you have to upload your lab report. Lab reports cost you 50% weight from your 100, 25% pre-lab quiz. Before the lab, you have to see the video that I have to post it for you. Then you will see some question on this video. Like say now I will ask you a question on the orientation quiz. We have orientation module. So you will see some question from this orientation video on your orientation quiz. If you do not watch this video, you will not be able to solve the orientation quiz. Orientation quiz, by the way, it is a chance I tell you now, you have to do it first day, first week, May 18th. So this is just a kind of quick idea. By the way, we have most of the experiment this way, so no worry about this. So if I click in any one of those, so if you'd like to go to the syllabus, and this should be up here, your weight for the, so this is your syllabus for the course. Please try to go through it. If you have any question, welcome to ask me, to send me. Lab report 50%, lab quiz is 25%, final exam 25%. Absolutely, pre-lab quizzes and the final exam will be online. Everything will be online. As far as you do your work and turn it online, you are good. Unless you be late and you don't show up. So for first week, you have to show up absolutely, just kind of like face-to-face. We have to confirm that you're registered and you familiar or you keep yourself posted to go on here. Then after this, as far as you do your work and turn in for me, you will be good unless we have something I have to send you and so on. So I hope everyone will enjoy this. By the way, this is a schedule for the experiment that we will perform it. And this is the weight for the total grade, 100%. And as I mentioned before, this lab will be online totally. So far, you don't need to cost yourself any money because the physics in the lab will be related to the course. So I see someone only, I think one only who take the course, maybe not the lab. So everyone in the lab, I believe, take the course. So this is not a big problem. I hope you will enjoy it and be safe. And please, I like your feedback for how did I perform this course on Canvas. I try to do my best to make it attractive for you. Like everything here, so whenever you click on anything, it should be linked in. But for your knowledge, I'm still working in the experiment to make it consistent with the course. Like whatever we covered in the course, we'll take experiment in the lab to make sense for all of you. Thank you all. Be safe. We will start soon on Monday, May 18th. I hope you have a good time and be safe and stay home, please. Thank you so much.